In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks in 2025. Now, if you've been wrestling with trying to integrate your Shopify store with QuickBooks, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide should make the whole process seamless and efficient, allowing you to manage your finances effortlessly. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Shopify admin page. Once you're on your store's homepage, what you want to do is find the Apps section. It's usually located in the sidebar on the left-hand side, making it easy to spot. Clicking on Apps will initiate the process of integrating external applications with your Shopify store. Next, you'll see an Add button. Go ahead and click on that. This button will redirect you to a different section where you can search for third-party apps that could enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. After clicking Add, you should find yourself in the Shopify App Store. It's a treasure trove of applications designed to enhance your store's capabilities, ranging from marketing tools to accounting services. Since we're focusing on QuickBooks, your next step is to type QuickBooks into the search bar. This helps narrow your search to exactly what you need: a seamless financial tool for your business needs. Once you've typed in QuickBooks, a list of options will pop up. Look specifically for apps that mention QuickBooks. Typically, you'll find a variety of listings, but you're going to want to click on the one that distinctly mentions QuickBooks. This ensures that you are selecting the correct application that corresponds with the QuickBooks Online product. Now, you'll encounter an option labeled QuickBooks Online. Click on this selection, as it is specifically designed to integrate Shopify with QuickBooks Online. This step is crucial because you want to make sure you are not just installing a random QuickBooks app, but one that will sync your financial data accurately. Finally, you're ready for the final installation phase. There will be an Install button associated with QuickBooks Online within the App Store interface. Click on Install to begin the connection process. Once you initiate the installation, follow any additional prompts to complete the integration. Congratulations! If you followed these steps closely, your Shopify store should now be successfully connected to QuickBooks. This integration will allow you to automatically transfer sales data from Shopify to QuickBooks, ensuring you have up-to-date financial records without any manual data entry. By streamlining your bookkeeping tasks, you've taken a substantial step toward managing your online business more effectively. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.